Biswap Crypto Swap Platform Review. Usage Experience. Links to Biswap are in the description. Biswap is a decentralized exchange DX built on the Binance Smart Chain BSC, offering ultra-low trading fees, multi-reward yield farming, and staking opportunities. It is designed for traders, liquidity providers, and DeFi users looking for a cost-effective and efficient way to swap tokens, farm yields, and earn passive income. The biggest advantage of Biswap is its 0.1% trading fee, which is significantly lower than most other DEXs. This makes it one of the cheapest options for token swaps, especially for frequent traders. Users can swap BSC-based tokens instantly, with deep liquidity and minimal slippage. The platform's transaction fee mining feature even allows users to earn back part of their trading fees in BSW, the native token. Biswap also offers a strong liquidity mining program, where users can provide liquidity to earn rewards. The platform incentivizes participation with high-yield farming pools, allowing users to maximize their returns. BSW tokens earned can also be staked in flexible staking pools to generate additional passive income. Another key feature is the Biswap Launch Pool, which enables users to stake BSW and earn rewards in various tokens. This creates an additional earning opportunity beyond traditional staking. Biswap also has an NFT marketplace, giving users access to exclusive NFTs and trading options with low fees. Security is a priority, with Biswap undergoing multiple audits to ensure its smart contracts are secure and free from vulnerabilities. As a decentralized platform, users retain full control over their assets, eliminating the risks associated with centralized exchanges. Overall, Biswap is a powerful and cost-efficient DeFi platform offering low-fee swaps, high-yield farming, staking, and an NFT marketplace. If you're looking for a trusted DEX with multiple earning opportunities and the lowest fees on BSC, Biswap is worth considering. Check the links in the description to explore its features and start trading today.